In this video you will learn how to make money playing Monopoly Go with TestersUp. Sign up on TestersUp, create an account on TestersUp using your email address to access the game's tasks. Search for the Monopoly Go offers. Use the search bar in TestersUp to find active tasks related to Monopoly Go. Read the task instructions carefully. Review the task requirements, such as reaching a specific board or level to qualify for a payment. Install Monopoly Go via TestersUp. Click a provided link to download Monopoly Go directly through the TestersUp app to ensure tracking track. Complete the required game milestones. Play the game. Reach the required milestone listed in the task to earn your money. Submit the task for verification. Once your task is complete, mark it done in TestersUp and wait for approval to receive your reward. Now you know how to make money playing Monopoly Go with TestersUp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.